Hey guys, this just occurred to me. I came in today and this is one of our lab rooms. You can see all the good stuff. And this is just one of our lab tables. I was going to do something else with this dynamics cart, so I just placed it on the table at right angles to the edge like that, and darn it, it rolled away on me. So I thought, okay, to get this thing not to roll, I'll just place it at right angles, right? So I placed it this way, relative to the edge, parallel, and gosh darn it, what do you know, it rolled away again. Then I thought about you guys and the directional derivative. The direction of grad for this slope is not this way and not this way, but it looks like somewhere in between, just based on the accelerations in each direction. So look at that go. So if I want this to stop rolling, I need to turn this at 90 degrees to the grad direction. So that would be something like that. There we go. So at 90 degrees to grad, you get a directional derivative of 0. See you guys later. Think about doing this demonstration or inviting me to do it in your Calculus 3.